The channel is constantly growing, and one cool thing about this is the community around the channel and the studio. More and more we are interacting with you, and it's fantastic. We receive a lot of private message, people leave comments on the video on YouTube, and we even try to improve and solve problems together. For example, last week we published a video about the linear scroll, and there is a little problem when you use the editor mode on Webflow. So we are trying to fix this with you and also Studio Freight, who create the linear scroll. And it's super cool to see all this excitement around the channel and to see the community alive. That's why I decided to create a Discord called the Friends of También. And you can find the link in the description. I wanted to create a hub where people from the También community can talk and exchange about everything. And I also wanted that it become a place where we can talk every day with you, and we can exchange and talk about everything, or help you to solve a problem, or share you insight about the course creation. This is super important for me and all the También's team. I wanted to centralize all the information about the studio and all the things that are happening and share it with you in one place. That's why in this Discord you can find different categories. The main one, when people arrive and present themselves and chit chat. The YouTube category, where we can discuss about everything related to the YouTube channel and our videos. The help category, where we can share your problem and all the community will help you to solve this problem. The sharing category, where people can share their work or things that they like, or also job opportunities. There is also the courses category, where we can talk about everything linked to the courses. Problems, you need help, or you have a suggestion, or you need to report something. It will be there. Also, we will share in one channel the progress that we made on the course creation. And finally, in the tool category, you can ask all the questions related to the tools we created. The style guide, the fluid responsive, and all the tools that we're gonna create in the future. And the most important, I want to create a safe and a respectful place where people feel free to come every day and to talk about anything. As I was sharing this idea last week on Twitter, I just created this Discord. So for the moment it's pretty empty. There is just me and the También's team, because I didn't share anywhere yet. But now I'm sharing with you and I will share everywhere. So I count on you to join the community and to create a really good place to be. So every day I will be there to hang out. Maël and Bahrain's too. So all the También's team is gonna be there. So I hope to see you there, because I really would like that this Discord become a huge co-working space, you know. So again, the link is in description, and I'm super happy and excited to bring to life this community and see where it can go. So see you there, and ciao.